Hey guys, I'm glad you're watching part 2. Oh, if you liked this very much, then click the like button. If you're new to this channel, click the subscribe button right there. And thank you for watching, and I just want to say Happy Halloween. Phantom zombies. Man, nobody's around here. This place is empty as my stomach. And I'm starving. Hey, there's somebody. I hope they're all gone. Well, right about now, I just want to get out of here. I don't know what kind of fools this place is fooling with me. Apparently the lights are off, and that's how Halloween works. My name is Mike Middleton, and I was with Jack at this moment, and before I got sucked away into this place. And you are Slime Slimerton. My friends call me Slime, and I have no idea how I got here. Last thing I remember, I picked this house and then go trick-or-treating and then sucked away to this place. Well, I bet that sounds terrible, but why don't you just stick together? Of course. If we stick together, we can find our way out of here and find what we're looking for. As a team of light. Well, apparently in the darkness, light is just a, figure of speech or something. I don't know. Oh, hey, Mike, I see you. Ah! Something's got me! That was me! I'm sorry. Who's that? What are you talking about? It's me. Why is your hand so slobbery? That's my hand. Oh, sorry. Wait, who's that? Oh, that's Slimer. I just met him. Already. Before you came, when the lights turned off. Yeah. Well, now, having 3 is better than 2. You mind turning on the lights? I'm scared of the dark. What? I thought you hate being different. I thought being different is your weakness. Oh, yeah, that too. Well, it's just that, being different means it would be really weird to... Mike! Jack? Why the heck you look like a stick man? Why the heck you sound like Dane like all times? Oh man, first the Phantom Zombies and now a Grim Reaper? What have you got this time? One way over here. Beware the Howling Spirit. Look out, guys! I found who this guy is! It's the Howling Spirit! Oh, really? This is the guy that trapped us here in the first place? I thought he was a Grim Reaper.
Sure, kid, but I am no Grim Reaper. I am the Howling Spirit. You fell right into my trap. How unfortunate. Well, you cannot escape this place. It's under my control. I kidnap kids for my job. Because I can scare anyone I want.
Oh, thanks, Mike.
Oh man, these trick-or-treaters are getting faster and worse every year.
Let me show you how Halloween feels like.
I know what Halloween feels. I created Halloween. But you should just skedaddle out, or else I'm going to be having a fight for you for 2 seconds.
We're not gonna mention this to our... Nope. Okay. You think James' house is the best one, better than the creepy one? Yeah, I bet that's right.